Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Solana from your Tangem wallet to Trust Wallet. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, it's crucial to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Tangem Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device and that they're updated to the latest versions for 2025. This ensures compatibility and security. Open your Tangem Wallet app and navigate to your Solana holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Find Solana and select it. Next, in your Trust Wallet, go to the Receive section for Solana. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully, as it's the key to a successful transfer. Head back to Tangem Wallet and look for the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Now, enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees to avoid any transaction failures. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt for your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Go ahead and authorize it. The transaction will then be broadcast to the Solana blockchain, which usually takes just a few seconds to a minute in 2025, thanks to improved network speeds. Once it's done, switch over to your Trust Wallet and refresh the app. You should see your Solana arrive shortly. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your crypto. A quick pro tip: always use this on a secure network and never share your private keys. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto smart.